The city sleeps, the neon glows, a faded photograph of us. The world keeps spinning, I suppose, but my own world is gathering dust. I trace the lines upon the map, I hear your voice in every sound, caught in a memory sweet trap, the miles between us on the ground. Oh yeah. And oh my dear, I'm waiting here forever, reaching for a time that's gone too fast. I'm holding on to this endeavor, for a love I know is built to last. So I'll chase the morning sun until my lonely race is run, where the ocean meets the sky. I know I'll see you by and by, my love. Across the plains, from shore to shore, to find the one that I adore, where all our dreams can learn to fly. I know I'll see you by and by, my love. I walk through crowds on busy streets and smile at jokes I do not hear. My heart repeats the same old beats, just wishing you were standing here. Oh no, I wonder when, I wonder where our paths will finally cross again. I say your name into the air.